Hello, cellos. This is Brown Book class, Old McDonald on page 22. Now remember that we have a repeat sign on the first line. So we'll play the first line once, and then we will repeat all the way back to the beginning. Okay? And the first line, the last note, is going to be an up bow, that whole note G, so that when you do repeat, it starts on a down bow. So we want to make sure that we're using a down bow at the beginning of each line. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's play this slowly together, making sure to keep your fingers nice and curved. So our first note's going to be the G, and typically our pinky is the weakest finger. So we want to make sure that we strengthen that finger and making sure that you're using all of the support of your hand by keeping your fingers nice and curved. Okay, so you've got your fourth finger ready. Let's play it. Here we go. My G's ready. It's tuned with my open G. Perfect. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, G. Long bow, up bow. All the way to the tip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second line. G, G, G. 3, 4. Up bow. Now we're on the third line. G, 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 D. Big bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Now let's do that a little bit faster. And this time, I'm not going to say anything. So we're just going to play it as it was written. You've practiced it a few times, and we're ready to go. Okay, here we go. We've got our stronger pinky finger nice and curved. Let's go a little bit faster. 1, 2. That's the tempo we'll take. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent job. Okay, thanks guys.